Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to fix SIM card tray stuck on iPhone. Okay, so since I am not using an iPhone device, so all you have to do is just follow along. Okay, so I will just show you an image here. As you can see in this picture, you have a pin and a phone. So outside of your SIM card tray, there will be a hole. Okay, and then you'll just have to use that pin to insert to that hole so you could be able to remove your SIM card tray. But if it's still not gonna work, okay, so as you can see here, should be look like this. Okay, so be sure that you place the pin correctly so it will not going to break. Okay, because that would cause another problem. Okay, so for example, this image here. So this is your SIM card tray and your paper clip or SIM eject tool or a pin. So just do it like this. So I also have here a proper way on how to put your SIM card to the SIM card tray so you will not be able to have a problem. Okay, so just put it like this. And then right after that, you'll just have to push the SIM card tray inside your phone. Okay, so make sure that you have placed the SIM card correctly or the SIM card tray correctly so you will not have any problem. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.